The Wyandotte is a true American breed. It is a popular show bird and has many color variants. It was originally known as the American Seabright. They were created during the late 1800s and were bred to withstand the harsh northern winters. While they are not overly affectionate, they will provide you with lots of eggs and free pest control if you allow them to free range. The Wyandotte chicken is not a bird that needs to be fussed over. They are quite content with the basics of life: food, water, and adequate shelter. Wyandottes are big and beautiful. These large-bodied chickens have lots of feathering and look very solid. They were bred in the northern climates of Michigan and New York. The winters in those areas can be brutal, so these chickens need to be very cold hardy. Those chickens with larger combs would often suffer from frostbite to their combs and wattles. Because of this, Wyandotte chickens were bred to have a rose comb. The rose comb tolerates the cold much better and rarely suffers from frostbite. Their head is broad and short. They have a stout beak and their eyes are reddish in color. The Wyandotte is a dual-purpose breed raised for both eggs and for meat. It matures moderately rapidly, and hens are good layers of tinted eggs. It is a popular show bird, particularly in Germany. This breed is known for being quiet and reserved. They are not one for mixing with other breeds and prefer the company of their own kind. Wyandottes tend to hang together in groups, ignoring other breeds. Sometimes because they are quiet and gentle, other birds may try to pick on them, but this is a big mistake. They will put bullies in their place without much effort. Wyandotte chickens are not very overly affectionate with humans, but neither do they actively avoid human contact. They will come for treats or to check out what you are doing and generally take interest in what you do. However, they do not necessarily want to be friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.